Alright, food lovers, let's talk about a flavor combination that'll rock your world. Salted eggs and tomatoes. You might be thinking, salted eggs? Really? Trust me on this one. The unique, savory punch of salted eggs combined with the bright tanginess of tomatoes is a match made in culinary heaven. This recipe is all about big flavors and simple steps. We're talking minimal ingredients, maximum taste, and a dish that's ready in a flash. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this recipe is easy to nail and even easier to devour. So are you ready to unlock a world of flavor with this simple yet incredible dish? Let's get cracking, literally. First things first, grab your ingredients. You'll need 4 to 6 salted duck eggs. Chicken eggs work too. 3 to 4 ripe tomatoes, chopped, 1 small onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh cilantro or spring onions for garnish, optional. Now let's get cooking. 1. Boil those eggs. Gently place the salted eggs in a pot of cold water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. This will give you perfectly cooked yolks. Once done, drain the hot water and run the eggs under cold water. Peel them and set aside. 2. Heat a splash of olive oil in a pan. Toss in the diced onions and cook until softened and fragrant. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute, just until you can smell that garlicky goodness. 3. Now it's tomato time. Add those chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook until they soften and release their juices. This is where the magic happens. The tomatoes will create a lovely, slightly sweet sauce. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Stay tuned for the grand finale. We're about to bring it all together in the next section. Get ready for an explosion of flavor. Once your tomatoes have softened and created a luscious sauce, gently stir in the cooked salted eggs. You can keep them whole, halve them, or even roughly chop them. It's your call. The heat from the tomatoes will slightly warm the salted eggs, releasing the incredible umami flavor and creating a creamy, luxurious texture that will have you licking the plate clean. The contrast of the sweet tomatoes with the salty, savory eggs is pure perfection. Don't forget to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You can add a pinch of sugar if the tomatoes are too tart, or a dash of chili flakes if you like a bit of heat. Section 4. Versatile and vibrant, your new go-to dish. This dish is not only bursting with flavor, but it's also incredibly versatile. Serve it hot over steamed rice for a satisfying and flavorful meal. Pair it with crusty bread for dipping, soaking up all that delicious sauce. Feeling adventurous? Spoon the mixture onto toasted baguette slices for a quick and easy bruschetta that will impress your guests. You can even add this salted egg and tomato mixture to noodle dishes or stir fries for an extra layer of flavor and texture. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a special brunch treat, this recipe is a winner every time. It's also a fantastic way to use up ripe tomatoes and experiment with the unique flavors of salted eggs. Section 5. Get cracking and share the joy. So there you have it, folks. A simple, flavorful, and incredibly versatile recipe that's sure to become a new favorite. The combination of salted eggs and tomatoes is a classic for a reason. It's a flavor explosion that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Now it's your turn. Get cracking on this recipe and discover the magic of salted eggs and tomatoes. And don't forget to share your culinary creations with me. Tag me on your social media posts so I can see your delicious masterpieces. Section 6. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Don't think this is the end of our culinary journey. I've got a treasure trove of delicious and easy recipes up my sleeve, just waiting to be shared. Make sure you stay tuned for more exciting flavor combinations, cooking tips, and culinary adventures. Remember, cooking should be fun, experimental, and most importantly, delicious. So go forth, get creative in the kitchen, and never stop exploring the wonderful world of food. Happy cooking!